Hello, okay, welcome. In this video, I am going to show you basically how to draw a basic shape with Python. Okay, using Python, and with Python I mean use an IDE which is PyCharm. Okay, you can also use Jupyter. I guess you should have the basic knowledge of this. So let's begin. For easy start, I would just like you to follow up. Whenever you have questions, you can reach me on the comment and I will reply. Okay, let's go with this comment. How to draw a basic shape. Okay, to start with, we just have to use the basic command, the print command. Okay, once you have the print command, shape you are going to draw is a right angled triangle in the opposite directions. Okay, so you make a space bar into 10. Okay, and you take the first drawing, just press on the keyboard button, the little slant keyboard, the little slant key. Once you click on it, you go over to the next line and you print again. Okay, once you print again, you do same, just a close distance to it, to the previous one you did. You do the same again. If it didn't enter, you just go back, make sure it aligns to the previous one you've already drawn. Okay, so you go back, I will take the line again, I will draw it. So what we'll do basically, for the purpose of this video, we'll take just 5 of it and we just later adjust it to suit our basic need. Okay, but on your own leisure time, you can choose to add more of it. Okay, you can choose to add more of it. So after you have done this, then we now finally come back to the first line of our code and we take this I bar. Okay, you can see the I bar. Once you search for it, you will get it. You click on the I bar. Once you click on the I bar, it will give you a similar symbol to what we are looking for. Then you can guess this one as it is by bringing it closer. Okay, let's assume this is the closest it can go. You pick these ones and bring them closer, but once the triangle is larger, you can continue to reposition it until you get a much closer look based on what you want. Okay, once this is done, you go back here, go to the first line and you print. Okay, once you print this, you open the bracket. So what to do basically here is to draw our this side here and you bring it up. Okay, so we have this, make it look better. Okay, so with this, you go over to your run. We've drawn our first right angle triangle. So what you do is you go to run and click on run. Automatically it will show you what you've just drawn on the console. So if this wasn't okay, you can still adjust it. Okay, you can still do some basic adjustment by adding some until it suits what you really want. You can still run from here until it really suits what you want. Okay, I think this is fair. Okay, let's see how to go about drawing the second one. Okay, here we draw the second basic shape, just basic, very basic, second basic shape in Python. Okay, so what we do, we repeat the same process as above, but this time we take a different look. So take this 10, you can choose to take 10 spaces or 7 or 8 depending on what you really want. Okay, and we still go over with this our little slant sign. You go back again. Okay, so we can repeat this as we go on. We just do like we did on the previous, we take 5 of it. Okay, I guess we have 3 here. We take another. Okay, I think this also goes for here. And the last. And the last. So once we are done with this, we go over to the first line of our code. Instead of drawing from here, what we do, you go over just a space between this and take your eyebrow here. Okay, and you just get them one by one. Push your hand a little bit. Okay, just for the sake, I'm trying to be fast, but you can do this better as you go on. As you do it yourself, you can also do it better. Okay, so take this, and this is the last. I'll take this. No, I will take this. Okay, guess we've gotten what we wanted, and we can close with the dotted line. So I think this is what we have. So we are using this double quoted sign because these are all, this is a string. So one basic rule with Python, you have to use this quoted line, either quoted or single, to write or print a string. So let's run our code. So once we run the code, voila, we have the first one and the second one, inverted right angle triangles. I guess you've learned something from this. See you in the next video as we go on.